Hello and welcome to this presentation of our project in the course Programming Tools in Data Science. So we made a project called Swiss Immo, where we do some analysis of the data from the Swiss real estate market. So in this presentation, we are going to show you the most important function of our package. So we are going to start with this one, get Immo. So basically, get Immo will go to the website immoscoot24. It's a website where people post their when they are selling their house or apartments. And get Immo data we takes for argument the name of cities. So here we have Bussigny and Nyon. And basically, when we are going to run this, it will take all the data where the city is either Bussigny or Nyon. And with this, it will create a table that we can see a little summary here. So we have the rooms, the square meter, the price, and the address of the city.
Then we have another great function, which is the predict price function. This function is it is possible to use it to predict either the price of a unique housing or of a whole data frame like the one that we created before. So we will first try to predict the price of an apartment with 3 rooms, 59 square meters in Nyon. We see that we have a message that it tells that this is the price for a unique housing and that it is estimated to 1,724. If the user forgets to specify a criteria, we will have a message error telling us that the informations are not complete. Otherwise, we can also use this function on the whole data frame that we created to have the predicted price for all housings in Nyon and in Bussigny. Again, we can see the result of this function. So we have exactly the same data frame as before with a new line which is the predicted price for each housing. Then it could be interesting to see if the prices of all the housings are less or more than the predicted price. This is why we run this plot. So here we see all predicted values against the real values. So if you are interested in a good value housing, we should look at the prices, the predicted prices that are above the real prices. So all points below the line will interest us. So the good thing about this plot is that it is interactive. We can select a point and we will directly see if it's overestimated or underestimated. For instance, by clicking on this point, we can see that we can see the underlying house. Otherwise, we can also select multiple houses and have all informations about all of them.
Last, we created a data set with 8 cities, 8 major cities in Switzerland that is called allcities.rds. So now we are going to read this document, and what it lets us have is to be able to create a Shiny app that will be a visual representation of the data. So here we have Geneva, Lausanne, Winterthur, and Zurich selected. And so, for example, if I want more information on the Zurich hub, I can click on it, and it will show me that there is 624 data points for Zurich and 221 for Winterthur. If I click more on Zurich, we can see that there is many points. So basically, the green points are the points where the predicted price is well above the current price. So it's a good deal, basically. Then what we can do is select the data according to some criteria. Let's say I want an apartment that is not too expensive. So let's say less than 2,180 francs. It will show me only those data points. But let's say I also want something that is bigger than 3 rooms. It will only show me those data. Then we can zoom a little bit more and be able to see each neighborhood more precisely. So if I want to live in this neighborhood, I can see the different apartments that are on the Immo Scoot platform. So that's it for this presentation. I hope you enjoy and thank you for your attention.